What if I told you that the difference between spending months struggling with research and having breakthrough insights could come down to how you ask a single question? Benvenuti scholars, Dr. Markette here, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in your doctoral toolkit that you may not be using to its full potential. How to write the most effective AI prompts to get the results you want. Whether you're brainstorming dissertation topics, conducting literature reviews, or developing research questions, the way you craft your prompts can make the difference between generic responses and genuinely useful academic insights. Let's start with the golden rule of academic prompting. Specificity beats generality every single time. Instead of asking, "Help me with research on absenteeism," try this framework. I'm a doctoral student in K-12 leadership studying student absenteeism patterns in urban elementary schools. I need to identify 3 specific research gaps in the literature published between 2020 and 2024 that focus on post-pandemic attendance recovery in high poverty districts. Notice what I did there? I provided my academic level, my field, my specific focus area, a concrete deliverable, and precise parameters. This gives the AI the context it needs to provide scholarly level responses. Here's your prompt structure formula: context plus specificity plus academic level plus desired output plus constraints. Now, let's talk about creating AI prompts to challenge preconceived assumptions that you may not even know you have. For example, it is not unusual for students to already have a pretty solid assumption of either what they think their data will be or what they want it to be before even starting their data collection. In short, they want to conduct a study to prove what they already think is true about their topic. It is no surprise that dissertation topics stem from personal experiences, and therefore there is an emotional attachment to wanting the data to come out in a certain way. This is called researcher bias. And using AI to mitigate this very common phenomenon is an important consideration for honestly reporting data. One of my favorite techniques to address assumptions head on is to create an AI assumption challenge prompt. Here's an example. I'm developing a dissertation hypothesis that social media activism leads to increased political engagement amongst Generation Z. What are 5 potential assumptions I'm making that could weaken this hypothesis? For each assumption, suggest one methodological approach to test or control for it. This type of prompt does something brilliant. It forces you to think critically about your own topic biases and deal with them in an academic way. For literature reviews, try the gap identification prompt using wording like this. Based on the following research, insert your question here, please provide 2 possible qualitative studies and 2 quantitative studies that haven't been adequately explored in the existing literature. Suggest specific research designs that could address these gaps. Let's move to brainstorming. The key here is to progressively narrow the AI prompts by starting broad and then drill down to something more specific. Begin with something like this. I'm interested in the intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare ethics. Generate 10 potential research topics that haven't been extensively studied and focus on emerging technologies introduced in the last 2 years. Then take the most interesting responses and dig deeper and ask, what would be 3 specific measurable research questions I can investigate with this topic? Include potential data sources and methodological considerations. This progressive approach prevents you from getting stuck in your first idea and opens up possibilities that you may not have ever considered. First, use the expert panel approach. Respond as if you're a panel consisting of a methodologist, a subject matter expert in your field, and a dissertation chair. Evaluate my research proposal from each perspective. Obviously, you will need to upload an attachment of your proposal when you use this AI prompt. In fact, so that you are not overwhelmed with the AI feedback, you may want to add constraints to this prompt and ask for only 5 top comments from each committee member's perspective. Second, employ constraint creativity. Help me design a research study on teacher burnout using X's theoretical framework. And the study and the data collection must be done in 6 weeks. Please provide 3 qualitative and 3 quantitative study ideas. Third, try assumption reversal. My research assumes that remote work decreases productivity. What would a study look like if I hypothesized the opposite? What variables would I need to measure differently? Remember, the goal isn't to have AI do your thinking for you. It's to make your thinking more rigorous, more creative, and more comprehensive. These prompting strategies will help you identify blind spots, challenge your assumptions, and develop research ideas that are both innovative and methodologically sound. I also want to emphasize that nothing that AI produces should simply be copied and pasted into your assignments. Nothing that AI produces should simply be copied and pasted into your assignments. Nothing that AI produces should simply be copied and pasted into your assignments. Let me help you get to graduation.